We're videoing here. Dad, what is it that you made?
We made an electromagnet to pick up and load Eli's tray. Here comes your load, Eli. Look out. We're going to put it back in. There they go. Yeah, that magnet's got a hold of them. Mine's not strong enough to take it off of that. But we can pick them all up.
So Dad, what is it that you made here? What did you use?
This is an electromagnet, see?
I know, but where did you find all your supplies?
We cobbed it out of Dave's drawers. And is something for a saw. What is this from, Eli? His saw?
Yeah.
We borrowed it, huh?
What's the red thing? The red handle?
That's part of the saw thing.
Oh, okay.
That's part of the crane now, right? See, it swivels.
What's the
What's the matter
There, we get it.
what's the spiral thing there the long?
Oh, that's the electromagnet.
So it's got something wrapped around it,
Yeah, it has wire wrapped around it.
and then a D battery.
And a D battery with a rather crude switch here. There you go.
It lost its magnet. There.
And the tape everywhere is the train track that Eli. This is from Chuggington, right, Eli?
Shall we load your car back up?
So Eli had the idea to build a electromagnet that he saw on Chuggington, and Grandpa Dan, being the engineer he is, made it so.
Here we go. Here comes your load, Eli. Look out. Should we drop